Hello everyone, welcome back to Spalaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to log out from Google account on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Alright guys, if you have a Google account on your phone that unused, then it's better to just log out. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial of logging out the Google account. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone. Alright, so here you can scroll down till the bottom and go to users and account. So yeah, now you can choose the Google account that you want to log out. Okay, I choose this one, and now you can click remove account and then click again remove account. So yeah, the Google account will logging out automatically from your phone and remove from your phone. Alright guys, so here's the tutorial on how to log out Google account on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching.